Hello everyone, welcome to my Marie Rose cosplay wig styling tutorial. Her hairstyle is a relatively simple twin tail moment besides whatever these things are. And while super long wigs aren't my favorite to wear, mostly because they're high maintenance, the style is still cute. And sometimes you just gotta do it for the cosplay. I used Cosplay Wig's pigtail base with the bangs pre-cut and two super long straight ponytail clips in the shade KA006 or light blonde. I start by separating the top section of hair on either side of the head. Then I use a razor comb to cut the longer top layer to match the shorter bottom layer. This was my first time using one of these things. I'm not sure if I was supposed to be struggling this much. Either way, it got the job done and is more forgiving than other hair cutting methods. I repeated this step to the opposite side, then began cutting off the ponytails. Ideally as close to the elastic tie as possible without it unraveling. You can also stub the hair with hot glue for extra security, which I would recommend, but I am never in the mood to do that. And sometimes gambling pays off. I secured the ponytail clips to either side on top of the stubs, then used silicone spray with a wig brush to soften and detangle the hair. I parted the bangs with duckbill clips, then used hairspray and a blow dryer to set it. I used jumbo black bobby pins to create two X's on either side of the head, and maybe use hair gel or spray to help keep them in place, since mine moved around sometimes. Then I tied a bow around each pigtail with a black wire ribbon to give structure to the style. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, and if you haven't seen my Marie Rose makeup tutorial, I'll link it down in the description box. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, TaraFYW, for more cosplay and other fun things. And subscribe to my OnlyFans for even spicier Marie Rose. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me. And until next time, please take care and stay well.